Hey there, fellow introverts and shy individuals. Welcome back to the Introvert's Guidebook, a channel dedicated to helping you navigate everyday life with confidence, even with social anxiety. Today's topic is one that many of us may find nerve-wracking, but fear not, we've got your back. We'll be discussing what to expect when you get summoned for jury duty. So, let's dive right in and break it down step by step. Alright, so you've received a jury summons in the mail. First of all, take a deep breath. It's normal to feel anxious about it. Most likely, the letter will include the date and time you need to report to the courthouse. Make sure to note this down on your calendar or set a reminder on your phone. Before the jury duty date, gather all the necessary information you may need, such as your jury duty notice, identification documents, and any paperwork the court may have sent you. It's a good idea to plan your route to the courthouse in advance if you're not familiar with the area. Knowing where to go can help alleviate some stress on the actual day. On the day of your jury duty, give yourself plenty of time to get to the courthouse. You might encounter security measures, so it's better to be early than to rush and feel overwhelmed. Find a comfortable waiting area where you can relax while waiting for further instructions. Once everyone is assembled, there will be an orientation where court staff will explain the jury selection process, your rights, and what's expected of you as a juror. Don't worry, they'll provide clear instructions, and you can always ask questions if needed. During the selection process, you may be asked questions to determine if you're eligible to serve on a particular trial. Remember, it's okay to be honest about your anxiety or any concerns you have. Courts understand that jury duty can be stressful, and they try to accommodate everyone's needs. Keep in mind that there may be waiting periods throughout the day. Bring a book, some headphones with calming music, or anything that can help you relax during these breaks. Sometimes, jury selection can take time, so patience is essential. If you're selected as a juror for a trial, congratulations. Your role is crucial in the justice system. The judge will provide instructions, and you'll be guided through the process step by step. Remember, you're not alone. There will be other jurors with you. Once the trial concludes, the jury will deliberate to reach a verdict. This may involve discussions with your fellow jurors, so take your time and share your thoughts when you feel comfortable doing so. Finally, when the jury reaches a verdict, you'll return to the courtroom to present it. If you're dismissed after the trial, your jury duty is complete, and you're free to leave. Congratulations, you did it. You successfully completed your jury duty despite your shyness and social anxiety. Remember, taking one step at a time and being prepared can help ease anxiety in situations like these. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Let's support each other on this journey to overcoming social anxiety and living life to the fullest. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.